You are looking at two top-tier air conditioners, but choosing the wrong one could mean overpaying or missing thousands in utility savings. One of these systems hits an ultra-high efficiency bracket that changes how your home feels. The other leans on private label branding with a surprisingly solid backup policy. Let's break down exactly what happens when we stack them up side by side. Hey everyone, I'm your HVAC repair guy. I bring 17 plus years of real-world field experience as a service tech, installer, and HVAC contractor. My background as a former Navy nuclear electrical operator means I evaluate systems by real-world performance. Today we are putting the Daikin DX9 VC up against the Liberty GXV9S. Both central air conditioners sit comfortably in the ultimate tier category. The Daikin DX9 VC hits an absolute home run with a SEER efficiency rating of 22.5. It features a true variable speed condenser fan and variable speed compressor that ramp like a dimmer switch. This design eliminates temperature swings and slashes humidity. The system keeps operating noise down to a quiet 58 decibels. It uses a protective louvered coil design and includes a built-in compressor blanket to deaden sound. It is manufactured in the United States and requires a certified dealer for installation. Switching to the Liberty GXV9S, this unit pulls in a 19 SEER efficiency rating. Mechanically, it matches premium inverter architecture with its own variable speed condenser, fan, and compressor. It includes a louvered coil and compressor blanket, but runs a bit louder at 62 decibels. Like the Daikin, the Liberty unit is manufactured in the United States and requires a professional dealer to set it up. Both Daikin and Liberty are built by Daikin Comfort Technologies using the same underlying engineering platform. Because they share a parent manufacturer, you can expect excellent parts availability across both models. The warranty strategies diverge, and that matters for long-term protection. The Daikin DX9 VC offers a 12-year standard warranty, 12-year compressor warranty, and 12-year unit replacement guarantee. The Liberty GXV9S offers a 10-year standard warranty, an extended 12-year compressor warranty, and a 10-year unit replacement guarantee. Let's talk numbers because the pricing structure here is eye-opening. For the Daikin DX9 VC, homeowners can expect total installation costs ranging between $4,000 and $6,200. Retail pricing for the sister platform condenser sits around $5,800 to $6,200, and total regional installation can reach $5,000 to $8,500. Core value analysis. You are comparing a 22.5 SEER flagship against a 19 SEER sibling. The Daikin provides higher seasonal energy efficiency, quieter operation, and 2 extra years of unit replacement coverage. For a homeowner, that higher SEER translates into lower monthly power bills during long summer months. If forced to choose, the clear winner is the Daikin DX9 VC. Even though they share identical parent technology, Daikin optimized the DX9 VC for superior energy efficiency and quieter yard operation. Combine daily utility savings with 2 extra years of system replacement protection, and the flagship earns its spot as the smarter, long-term buy.